Get ready for the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 packed with exciting new features. This upcoming model in the foldable lineup looks impressive. Who among us is looking forward to the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Remember to subscribe if you want to be updated. First off, industry reports suggest that Samsung is redesigning the Z Fold series using cues from Huawei's Mate X5 to make the device thinner in profile without sacrificing battery life. It seems like Samsung is prepared to follow suit in a time when several competitors are releasing phones with larger batteries that are slimmer. The aspect ratio of the cover screen is in for a big change. This is particularly interesting as, despite being a high-end tablet, several customers of the Z Fold 5 wanted a broader cover screen. According to TechReview's previous information, the Fold 6 will see a significant form factor change. It appears from several accounts that the outer screen will definitely go wider, which is a much-needed update. Furthermore, the Z Fold 6 will soon have dust resistance because of the enhanced hinge and display design. Rumor has it that Samsung's first folding phone with dust resistance is happening. Its predecessor only had an IPX8 grade for water resistance. This advancement emphasizes how crucial it is to protect the gadget from dust, a feature that many users have been anxiously awaiting. Samsung is also concentrating its efforts on the display. Expect less creasing in the middle of the screen as well as increased durability. Even though it's still difficult to have a display without any creases, continuous advancements are encouraging. The Z Fold 6 seems to have the same camera configuration as the Fold 4 and Fold 5, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel primary camera. Although some people might want better cameras on a gadget this expensive, it's important to remember that a more sophisticated camera setup could make the Fold more expensive. There are rumors circulating that the Z Fold 6 comes with a S Pen that may be stored inside the gadget. But it's important to keep in mind that these are unsubstantiated assertions. Similar rumors have floated before but never came to pass. Samsung may need to locate internal storage space and thin down the device in order for the S Pen to fit. Naturally, individuals who would rather use an external solution will find the new S Pen cases to be useful. The presence of a S Pen might not be a top priority for everyone. The Z Fold 6's hardware is anticipated to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in all regions, along with up to 1 TB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. It's unlikely that the phone's battery capacity will much rise given the emphasis on making it slimmer. Still, we're hoping for advancements in rapid charging. An impressive 7.6-inch foldable 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display is a feature of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. With an 1812 at 2176 resolution, you may anticipate enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, and durability compared to its predecessor, even if the dimension is same. Samsung's newest ultra-thin glass protects it. It resists water and dust and has fewer noticeable wrinkles in the center. A 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED panel covered in Gorilla Glass Victus 3 is included on the external display. Although its resolution is still unclear, rumors suggest that it will feature a punch-hole camera, a larger aspect ratio, improved brightness, and color accuracy. There is a 10-megapixel wide-angle camera on the cover display and a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the internal display. 3 cameras are located on the back: a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel primary camera. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, available worldwide, powers the Z Fold 6 together with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.1. With its 4,400 mAh capacity, we anticipate advancements in both wired and wireless charging. Advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support are among the available connectivity choices. It will reportedly go on sale in August 2024 for a starting price of $1,850 and run One UI 6, which is based on Android 14. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 focuses on hardware and design improvements while keeping many of the features of its predecessor. For those wishing to explore the world of foldable devices, it offers a compelling alternative, even though it might not be a necessary update for Z Fold 5 customers. As more details become available, please check back for further updates as we'll keep you updated.